Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now for the pound yen, I think the pound yen is worth a closer look than the dollar yen this coming week. So I think what we will see is a pullback from here. May test the bottom of the range again, or test to somewhere close to the bottom of the range. As long as the price does not hold 155.45 around this level, I think we can ride it all the way up here. So from here we will see what happens, right? And as we ride it up, we will also move our stop loss, right? And the reason why is, I think this is due for deeper correction, and you really do not know when this market makers will pull the trigger. Is it up here where they catch the most people and then they pull it down all the way down, and then they pull it all the way down? Or is it going to go up halfway and then pull down? You never know, right? Or come up here, come down here, come up and then down. So the point being is, I think just looking at what we could do immediately, we will go in for a long on the pullback and then see what happens here. Yeah. So what happens here is also highly depending on whether the macros favor risk on from the day the Fed starts increasing interest rates, which is around mid-March this year.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.